Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.